Here at got the crew here.
You know, Jay, man.
Jay, how you doing?
What's going on, man?
Jay and Trey, you know what I mean?
I've been following you for a long time, man.
Yeah.
I've been following for about 2 years now, right on YouTube.
I appreciate it, man. I want to say thank you guys for coming out. You know what I'm saying? First and foremost, this is something we want to do every Saturday up to the last, the week before Thanksgiving. And it's just to encourage men, health, man. You know, it's a journey. We say this, men's grooming is a journey. Men's health is a priority.
Absolutely.
And for you guys to show up, it just shows that what's a priority to you guys, and I appreciate that.
You said something about the, what you say, the detox, the beer detox. You said to use apple cider, right?
You'll do, for the beer detox, we have the clay. So you do, in the video I did apple cider vinegar, and I did apple
Beyonce.
I swear by that.
Yeah,
like
apple cider
Beyonce
vinegar
clay.
and yeah, the bentonite clay.
The bentonite, yeah.
Yeah,
I said Beyonce clay.
That's all love. It's all love. Yeah, those two things. You can do them either separately or you can do them together.
Yeah.
So.
And the clay is once a week.
Clay once a week.
Well, yeah, because that is what I do.
This is my watch day. I gotta watch it.
Yeah. Tomorrow's my
yeah, but
my
Sunday
watch
is
day.
mine too.
Yeah. So yeah. So you can either do them together or you can do them separately. But for me, it's just easier just to knock it all out.
Right. And conditioning. Now I know you said you don't wash it every day, but you can condition it.
You can do a co-wash.
A co-wash,
Yeah.
but you can condition it every other day or something like that, right?
Yeah, you can condition it at least 3 times a week.
All right, 3 times a week.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Because I do mine, like, I have this little schedule that I go by, you know what I'm saying? Like Fridays, I always shave because it's like the weekend.
Right.
Sunday, I always shave because it's time for like the work week.
Right.
And then Wednesday, I do it because it's in like the middle of the week. So
right.
then I keep going. So that's how
Your rotation.
I do like that's how I do my rotation. And every time I do it, I always like wash my beard or I'll condition it.
Okay. Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So does that sound, I mean,
yeah, man.
that sound like a good little regimen?
It does. I mean, you know what I mean? You consistent. You know what I mean? You know, like, all right, man, it's the weekend. I'm about to get into this regimen.
Right.
I'm about to get into work week. And then you got your middle week. I think that's a really great regimen to be on.
Bet.
You know what I mean? So I think that's really good to have that locked down.
Right.
Like the way you have it. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
One thing I had to learn about mustache.
Yeah.
I had to learn the hard way.
happened?
It seemed like the mustache grows slower than any other part of the beard.
I don't even get no mustache
And
like that.
I try not to even touch mine no more. I'm trying to let it fill in.
it go, yeah.
I want that mustache.
There you go.
That's
Yeah.
the mustache
Let
I
it go.
want.
Let it
Lately,
go.
it's been looking good.
Yeah. I see it.
Mine's
Trying to
come and
curl
go
it to
with it,
the
man.
Yeah. I see it.
It's just that, I guess, because I know you said something about, because I always watch videos, man. You said something about you got different hair textures
Yes.
on the side of your beard.
Yeah.
And I think you had described mine like perfectly. You were saying that this is curl, like this is curl, like this is curly. This side on your side is coarse.
Mm-hmm.
And then you said something else about.
So you have wavy,
Wavy.
curly. You have wavy, curly, and then you have kinky.
Kinky, yeah.
Yeah, so those are the 3 different types of textures that you're gonna fall into. And a lot of times, for me, mine get more kinky in this area here, and then right here is wavy.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? And that's typically what I see is like common for every
Right.
for the most part.
See, because mines do not grow out as like full as y'all's. Mines come out right here, right here, and I just can't get it to kind of shape right.
Yeah. Have you?
That's like I tell a lot of people, like when you first starting the beard, first you always say genetics. You got to see where it go naturally first.
Right.
I know it's hard because people like, man, I gotta edit it.
But you looking rough.
You see what the natural line is. That's the only way you're gonna find out. 'Cause like you said, you can't judge your beard off somebody.
Right,
you can't do it.
right.
I see black guys all the time. I'm like, damn, I want that beard.
Yeah, because you be saying like,
but you can't do that.
You
just gotta.
I forgot what you said. You said, do your own beard. Not do like your own beard, but you know,
Embrace it.
Yeah, like embrace your beard.
embrace your beard and your style, because everybody
embrace your journey.
Yeah. And that's the thing about like white people's beards and our beards, man. It's like the one thing that a lot of guys is like, and I, you know, it's all good, but like techniques are different. It's gonna be different. And even that, like for us, conditioning for us is like, it's like golden.
Yeah.
We gotta condition.
Okay. Are you doing I'll go eat.
I got some. Have you ever, you like coconut water? You guys like coconut water?
Nah, I had the alkaline.
Alkaline. Man.
I saw you drinking that the other day on your live.
Oh man. Coconut water, you just feel the electricity going through your body.
Yeah.
Really? I thought y'all was gonna run right at first.
To be honest with you. No. So I was like, man, all right, let me get myself ready. Come on now, you can do this shit. You know what I'm saying? What up?
Yeah. So what you guys be doing? Like, you know, I know I seen you was going to, you went to the game. You go to the game often?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah. I just for travel, man. I just go to different places, learn stuff. I always do outdoor activities, you know, but jumping out of planes,
Oh wow.
and skydiving.
Wow. You going in.
I have flown a plane.
Wow.
You know, whitewater rafting.
I need to step my game up. I need to get out the basement.
I'm 76 and I've done it all.
Thank you. There you go.
Have you been to Antarctica? I just came back from
I went to
Alaska.
Alaska. I ain't been to Antarctica.
Come out, man. Every Saturday, 11 a.m. Stone Mountain. Let's bond. Brotherhood.
Oh, yeah, Cold Stella, right. That don't name right there don't sound like that, man.
That's my joint right there.
Cold Stella.
I gotta drink some water.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please leave your comments below. Hit the like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Watch our other episodes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And thanks for special thanks to each and every one of you that came out on Saturday. Again, this is your boy B. As always, deuces.